In this final level, I have tried to make things as simple to complete. I have tried to set the benchmark and the hurdle as low as possible for a very simple reason. I want people to contribute to this activity. I want people to complete this level. I very simply ask them what one action they think that they can undertake in the next week. And there are 3 people I think that benefit from this. 1, the individual end user gets to benefit from it because they need to think about everything that they could possibly achieve within the next week, and then they need to refine that down and filter that to just one activity. So there's a lot of internal processing taking place. That's a good thing. Secondly, their peers and their colleagues in the course also benefit from seeing and reading what one another are planning to do. It may be that somebody has come up with an action that actually is more impactful than the one that I'd come up with. That doesn't mean to say I don't need to complete mine, but it just gives me some additional ideas to push the limits of what I might be able to achieve within a week. And finally, the people that benefit, of course, are you and I as the course designers or the organisation itself. If we can start to see trends and ideas about how people are planning to implement their takeaways from this particular course, if we can see any threads and patterns around that, maybe we can start to put things in place to help people achieve that, to give them additional support and guidance and a little encouragement along the way to help them do that. That's no bad thing as well. As always, if we push the subject of fire safety to one side and we look at any compliance type training, don't we ultimately at the end of it want people to change the way that they behave? Or if they are behaving in the correct manner, to look for other ways of modifying their behaviour for the better, or for ways to maintain their behaviour at that level. So I think an activity such as this is incredibly simple to achieve, incredibly easy to come up with an answer to, and of course is able to be shown that it is having an impact on what people are thinking, what people are planning, and how people are behaving. A nice way for the organisation to be able to prove the return on any investment that they've made into the programme.